Oh!
Post it on YouTube.
Now it's actually getting pushed our way. See that?
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken, that clouds look like they are actually rotating.
No. They're moving good.
Try to get out there a little further. There's rotation in it. You can see it. Right over here. I'm watching them circle.
I want it's going to be pushed apart.
No, there's rotation in it. We just might end up getting something out of this.
Even now, we'll get the lighter. That's where I'll pick up from the lighter.
That is cool as hell. Look at those clouds.
Right now.
Yeah.
Right there.
Where? Right there?
Yeah.
Do me a favor. Even though it's happening right here, do me a favor. You got your phone with you? Call my mom and tell her to stay away from the windows, because we actually do got rotation in these clouds. See, I ain't ever seen them like that. I want to tell you right now, I think it actually is a tornado forming. Just hard to stay away from the windows, because this shit's rotating. Because I'm catching on video.
Yellow. Yeah, and you might want to stay away from windows. We're watching the clouds rotate.
We may end up getting a funnel out of this, because I'm catching all on camera.
Yeah, Scott's recording it right now.
That's a tornado forming. What'd she say?
Just looked out her door and saw it. No, it was all dark.
That could very well be a possible tornado forming.
That goes stop rotating. It's just moving fast as hell.
Oh.
Did you get that on camera?
I'm trying. Gotta get the hell away from... It ain't gonna do nothing.
We're gonna get some rain out of it. I can feel that.
There it goes again. It's starting to rotate again.
Damn it.
I know. I think that's the part that's actually rotating.
Nah, it's tearing apart. Wind shear up there, so you can see it going two different ways.